Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kenny Malice, and if you're new to this channel, I post a lot of coding videos. Most of my videos cover anything from CSS animations to JavaScript projects such as the Pythagorean theorem or discriminant formula calculator or any of those formulas that you may need to use in math. So if any of those sound interesting to you, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on any videos that I upload. So let's get right into the video. In this video today, we will be building this glowing snake using JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and also a JavaScript library, Gsap. It's this right here. You can go to this right here. I'll have it in the description below so you guys can find it easier. And you just want to go to this website right here, and then click on the first box right here, the orange, the light brown or brownish orange one, and click on copy script tag, and then copy that and paste into your code right before your ending body tag. And this will allow you to do some cool stuff with your animation. So first thing I'll do is I'll get rid of all this code so we can actually start from scratch. And now our snake goes away. Poor snake. So the first thing we just did was generate our basic HTML structure called a boilerplate code. And for this we don't need any HTML actually. So we'll just do JavaScript by typing two script tags, creating for loop called for var I equals 0, while I is less than 40, I++. And if you don't understand how for loops work, you can go watch my for loops tutorial that I'll have in the description and cards below. So you can go check that out to get a better understanding of for loops. And now we can do var square equals document.getElementById div. So for every iteration of the loop, we're going to create a square. I'll create a div with a variable of square, and we're going to give each square a class of square. So we just do that by typing square.classlist.add, and we just add the name of the class that we want to give it. You can change this to whatever you want, and it shouldn't actually be a square, it should actually be a circle. Since our snake isn't 90 degrees, that would just look weird because snakes aren't box shaped, they're round or even V shaped on their heads. And then after that, we can go to Gsap, click copy script tag, and now it's copied. We just want to paste this right here. We don't need that, and we also don't need all of this, even integrity. All we need is the source. And now this is where the fun part starts. So hope you're ready. So we're going to do document.addEventListener, mouse move. So this function will be called whenever we move our cursor over our browser. And we want to pass e for our parameter for this function. And then this is where we start using Gsap in our JavaScript by typing gsap.to. So this is basically where we can add animation effects to our circles. So we want to select it by typing #circle. It's just like the CSS selector. So if you know how to select CSS elements, then Gsap should be no problem for you. And then we'll do x, so we're going to set its x value to be e.clientX. Client x is whatever position our cursor is currently resting on. So if my cursor is right here, then the client x will be whatever the coordinate of x is right on this spot right here. And we'll do the same for our y, but it will be e.clientY. And then we'll give each square a stagger of -0.03. This value is kind of hard to explain how it works, but you can try messing around with it and you'll figure it out yourself. And then after that, we can go into our style tags, which is where we can type our CSS and select our squares. And we'll do border radius 50% so that it will actually turn into a circle. And I keep typing square. It's not square, it's circle. And I also typed square right here as well. It should be circle. And then we'll do background color. You can set it to whatever color you want, and then we'll do width 100%, height 100%, position absolute. And now if we save and refresh, we still don't have our squares yet. That's because we haven't done document.body.append child circle. So after we finish appending our square onto our browser, it should actually appear. And the reason why it's not is because once again selected the wrong thing. It's not an ID, it's a class. Let me try go checking in my console and see what the error is. So it says cannot read property class list of null. Apparently this isn't working. Oh, it's not document.getElement by ID. It's document.createElement. So we're not getting an element, we're creating it. And now our circle appears on our screen, but it's ginormous, so we need to resize it a little bit, and we can do that by changing this to be 100 pixels, not 100%. And now it's going to follow our mouse wherever we drag it. And that's pretty much all we can do with it. Even if we try clicking, nothing will happen. So it's just going to follow our mouse like that good obedient snake it is. And then we can give it a box shadow of 0, 0, 10 pixel red, and then copy this down maybe 4 times, and then increment it by 10 each time. So this will be 20, this will be 30, this will be 40, and this is how it gets that nice glowing blurry effect to it. And to make it look even cooler, I'm going to do body background color black, so that the red actually shows up a lot better. And now this just looks really cool. And you can just play with your snake, drag it around, and it'll follow you. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed and had fun building this, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. And comment down below what you want to see next for future videos, since I'm starting to run out of video ideas. And also, if you have any feedbacks for my channel, let me know in the comments below as well, and I'll fix it. Basically, just let me know what you guys want to see in future videos, and I'll upload it for you guys, since you guys are my best audience. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next video.